There was once a young boy named Adam who lived in a small village. Adam was known for his bright and curious nature, but he was also known for his extreme shyness. Despite being naturally talented, he always doubted his abilities and feared failure. One day, Adam's village was visited by a traveling magician who performed incredible feats of magic and illusion. Adam was amazed by the magician's tricks and asked him how he was able to perform them. The magician smiled and said, "It's not magic, it's belief." You see, Adam, the power of belief is the most powerful force in the universe. If you believe in yourself and your abilities, you can accomplish anything. Adam was skeptical at first, but the magician's words stuck with him. He began to practice believing in himself and his abilities, and slowly but surely, he began to overcome his shyness and self-doubt. Adam's newfound confidence and belief in himself led him to try new things and take risks. He discovered that he had a talent for painting and began to create beautiful works of art that were admired by many. As Adam's confidence grew, so did his success. He was offered a scholarship to study art at a prestigious university, where he excelled and became a well-known artist in the art world. Years later, Adam was invited to speak at a conference where he shared his story and how he overcame his self-doubt through the power of belief. He encouraged others to believe in themselves and their abilities, and to never give up on their dreams. The lesson of Adam's story is simple but powerful. The power of belief is the key to achieving your goals and overcoming obstacles. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, anything is possible. Don't let self-doubt hold you back, but rather practice believing in yourself and your dreams. You never know where it might take you.